Hi friends, welcome back. In today's session we are going to see the swapping program. Okay, so let's start our session. So first we will understand how can we swap two numbers. Okay, so let's suppose we have two number, okay, A and B. Okay, so let's assign value to A 7 and for B we will assign a value 4. Okay, so what it means swapping? Swapping means exchanging the values. Okay, so after swapping we should get result as the value of A should be 4 and the value of B should be 7. Okay, so we have to write some logic for this. Okay, so how can we swap these two numbers? Okay, let's understand. We will take one temporary variable, let's see t. Okay, so initially in t we don't have any value, so we will assign a value of a into t. So t is equal to a. Okay, so what will be the value inside the t now? 7. Okay, so now a is empty, so inside a we will assign the value of b. Okay, so what is the value for b? 4. Okay, then we will assign the temporary variable value to b. Okay, so b is equal to t, means what b will contain 7. Okay, so now what is the value of a? 4 and value of b 7. Okay, so our required result is ready. Okay, so understood how can we swap two numbers? Okay, so let's do the same thing in coding. Okay, so I already created one class swap number example, and inside this class we already created one main method. Okay, so we are using the scanner class. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. Okay, so we have to import this. Okay, sorry, scanner. So we have to import java.util package. Okay, so otherwise not required this one. We will simply take the values. For a we will take 7 and for b we will take 4. Okay, and one temporary variable. Okay, so first before swapping what is the value for a and b? 7 and 4. Okay, so we will print this. The value for a and value for b. Okay, so what will be here result? So initially the value of a is 7. Okay, and value of b is 4. Okay, so here we will write some swapping logic. Okay, so here we will assign the value of a to temporary variable. So t is equal to a, then a is equal to b and b is equal to t. Okay, then we will print after swapping what result we will get. So value for a and value for B. Okay. So what result we will get? For A, initially the value is 7, but after writing this swapping logic, the value is exchanging. Okay. So now for A, value will be 4 and for B, value will be 7. Okay. So let's save this program and run. See here in the terminal. Okay, what is the value for A? 4 and for B we have a 7. Okay, so understood how can we swap two number. Okay, so for swapping we have multiple logics. Okay, so another one we will discuss now. Here we are using one third variable. Okay, so mostly in interview they will ask you first to write a program for swapping two number. Okay, if you write this one, then next question will be please write the swapping number program without using the third variable. Okay, so we should know how we can swap two number without using third variable. Okay, so let's see here. We will convert this program only, so we don't require this temporary variable now. Okay, so how can we write the logic without using the third variable? Understand here. Okay, so now we don't require this temporary variable. Okay, so first we will add this two number. Okay, so A plus B. So what is the value of A? 7. 7 plus B 4. Okay, what is the answer? 11. Okay, so now the value of A is 11. Okay, so next thing we will assign B is equal to A minus B. Okay, so currently what is the value of A? 11. Okay, so here 11 minus B. What is the value of B? 4. Okay, so 4. What will be the result? 11 minus 4? 7. Okay, so the value of A, which is earlier is 7. After performing this logic, we will get the value of B as a 7. Okay, so next thing we have to A is equal to A minus B. Okay, so now what is the value of A? 11 minus value of B. What is the value of B? 7. Okay, 7. So what will be the answer? 11 minus 7? 4. Okay, so see here, initially value is for A it is 7 and for B it is 4, but after performing this logic we are getting the value for B is 7 and for the A it is 4. Okay, here we are not using any third variable. Okay, so using this two variable only we are swapping this number. Understood? So let's write this in coding. Okay, so what we have to, A is equal to A plus B. Okay, then what? B is equal to A minus B. Okay, so here what will be the what is the value of A? 7 and for B it is 4. So 7 plus 4 we are getting 11. Okay, so for the B, A minus B. So now value of A is 11. 11 minus value of B is 4 is equal to 7. Okay, then for A is equal to A minus B. Okay, so value of A is 11 minus value of B. What is the value of B now? 7. Okay, so minus 7 is equal to 4. Okay, so here we are printing A and B. Okay, so let's save this program. We will get the same result. Okay, so run this program. See here in the console we are getting same result. Okay, but the logic is different. Understood? Okay, so for swapping, more logics are there. If you have any another logic, you can try. Okay, and suggest me in the comment section. Thanks.